Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing an expansive 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It sits on almost a half-acre of land and is located in the esteemed community of Ingleside, Mandeville, Manchester. Though in need of renovation, this charming home is bursting with potential. The layout boasts generous proportions, providing ample space for entertaining and family gatherings. The land is fertile, with a number of fruited trees, such as ackee, apple, coconut, lychee, soursop, banana, and mango. With its prime location and abundant potential, this fixer-upper presents an excellent opportunity to build your dream home and create lasting memories with your family in a coveted neighborhood. Don't miss your chance to turn this diamond in the rough into a shining gem. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.